The numbers are startling. Between 30 and 40 million households at risk of being evicted. Mother of two, Patricia Mendoza, is one of them.
I felt like I was going to lose everything. I've never in my life got an eviction notice.
Patricia used to work as a medical van driver, but in April, her company went under due to COVID. Since then, she struggled to find a job and pay rent for their apartment outside San Diego. This fall, her landlord took the first step, serving her with an eviction notice so they could renovate her complex, a loophole in the evictions moratorium. Patricia says if it happens, she'll have nowhere to go.
What's your biggest fear right now?
Living out of my van. Having to tell my children that we have to move out and we're going to live out of a van.
Tenant advocates say our eviction system is broken, with women and people of color disproportionately impacted. While it's estimated the current federal moratorium has prevented over 1 million evictions, it expires at the end of March. And with only 16 states and Washington, D.C. offering extended protections, experts fear a tsunami of evictions is coming.
Landlords are filing new eviction cases at an increasingly aggressive pace. Housing court is considered a civil matter. So most tenants do not have representation, even if an eviction that they're facing is illegal or unjust.
In Ohio, Amanda Frank and her partner John say their landlord took them to court and got them evicted, even though they say they qualified for protection. Now, with an eviction on their credit reports, they say they can't get a new lease, forcing them to live in their SUV.
I clean houses for a living. I clean mansions, and it's so hard to go to these houses and think, I'm not going home. I'm not going home to a house.
Also struggling to survive, many mom and pop landlords. 76-year-old Leslie Hope rents out 6 apartments in L.A. to supplement her retirement income. Now, on top of her highest paying tenant not being able to pay rent, the city is ordering her to make expensive repairs to her building.
I'll probably have to go into my retirement. I've used up my emergency fund. I'm seeing people being forced into foreclosure. I mean, it doesn't look good for the small mom and pop owners.
People on both sides of this crisis facing an uncertain future with their livelihoods on the line.
There needs to be stronger protections for all of us. We're working class people, you know. We've always done whatever it takes to keep our families afloat.
And renter advocates say this is also a matter of public health because evictions put people at greater risk of contracting the coronavirus. They're less likely to recover and have led to unnecessary deaths in this pandemic. Dylan.
So, Jo, what can someone do if they're a tenant, they can't afford rent because of COVID, they're facing eviction? How can they protect themselves?
Yeah, it's a really good question. So many people are facing this issue right now. Experts say first, research your rights as a tenant in your state and in your county. Many local jurisdictions have stronger protections than the federal ones, and they make it harder for landlords to evict during this pandemic. Second, you can always reach out to a tenants' rights organization in your area. They can help you find free legal aid if your landlord decides to take you to housing court if it gets that far.
Useful information. Jo, thank you so much.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.